Well, we just got out to assess the damage from the storm. It looks like we aren't too more flooded than we would be with a week of heavy rains. There's water in the front yard again. A lot of limbs are off the oak tree. It kind of looks like it got vacuumed. And the bamboo did pretty well. Not too many, a few limbs down. But again, it lost leaves. There's bamboo leaves. The whole yard's filled with bamboo leaves. This one did well for some reason. This one didn't seem to get damaged. We'll go up and see what's looking like on the other end. Here's the other side. We've lost some limbs over here off the oak tree. See them down. Some of the bamboo, lost a bunch of that on the ground. A lot of cutting and clearing it looks like we're going to have to do. But a little Poinciana tree stayed. Mulberry tree stayed.
All my trees stayed over here.
All these little trees are okay. It's just water. Water again. Tarp blew off of the dirt pile. I got water down the road toward the back. Looks like there's some pots overturned over here. There's a big pile of tables that blew over. And the lumber pile stayed pretty good, except that there's water. Got a little lake over here. A lot of bamboo down. And that's kind of what we have there. The nursery is flooded again. See if I can get over here where you can see it better. Nursery's flooded there. All down here. But our tables and plants, most of them stayed up without too much problem. And here's the other end of the nursery. Pretty well flooded out all the way up to the building. The road's wet, but we were able to get through it with the gator. A lot of the bamboo is down. A lot of picking up, straightening out this bamboo. The garden is flooded. Where we burn is basically a little lake. Pretty low. We can get through with the gator, probably even the car. But there's water everywhere. Bamboo all over the place.